Frustration continues to boil in Jackson County over the recall of Executive Frank White. 4 residents are asking a judge to weigh in. It's after the legislature approved an ordinance to call for a special election. White is considering whether he should veto or approve it. But their attorney says that is not the law. KCTV5 investigative reporter Samantha Boring breaks down the suit.
Stephanie Cohen, Fawn Collins, Mark Anthony Jones, and Jay Perry all want the county, Frank White, and the election boards to do the right thing. That's why they say now this lawsuit is filed.
I'm really tired of all the chaos, all of the lies, all of the deceit.
These 4 filing the suit say it was an increase in property taxes that led them to sign the recall petition to remove County Executive Frank White Jr.
Raise my taxes 100%. We're living on Social Security disabilities. 2 of us. How am I going to make it?
When people saw those recall signs, they would flock to me. I did not get out of my car.
Attorney Phil Lavoda is handling the case. His background is extensive in Jackson County, at one point working in the prosecutor's office. He says the county charter is clear.
When they turned in those 43,000 signatures verified, it should immediately go to the election boards and they should schedule the election date within 60 days. The charter, the law, says it shall be within 60 days.
But that's not what is happening right now. The legislature is waiting for White's decision on the ordinance for a special election. Lavoda says the legislature, election board, and county attorney all have an opinion on how this works, but he believes they aren't right.
We're asking the court for an expedited hearing to finally get everybody in the room that has these legal disputes and represent the citizen.
White releasing a statement Wednesday on the matter, saying they will fight this in court, adding in part, let's be honest, this recall isn't about what's best for Jackson County. It's about politics, personal power grabs, wasted taxpayer dollars, and most of all, stadium subsidies. These 4 voters feel White does not have the authority to veto this matter.
He's obviously not listening to the residents of the county that he took an oath to serve.
And they're hopeful they can vote on the recall August 26. In Jackson County, Samantha Boring, KCTV5 investigates.
White also claims Lavoda wants the interim county executive role if the recall is successful, and he believes that this is why he's doing this. However, Lavoda says he's doing this for the people, and he says that he's humbled by the idea and would serve in the role if it came to that, but adds that he would not run for the position.